Time to make another video. Alright, gonna take out the Chinese ones. Got condensation in them. Replaced with this guy. Alright, got these guys out there. Gotta pull out some trim pieces to get that. These trim pieces out to be able to get that there. Alright, gonna be working with some different things here. Got some connectors already done up to make it more streamlined. Alright, what we got? Bronco modular fog kit from Rigid. That's in the box. Looks like it's well packaged. Get 6 lights. Bracketry and all the wiring and components. Fancy stickers and some install instructions. There's a SKU if you need to see it. Triple fog kit. This is stats, you can pause it and look at it if you need to. There's the SKU for the brackets if you need it. They are tagged driver's side and passenger side. Just in case you were wondering. There's 6 packets for mounting the lights onto the bracket. Wiring harnesses. And these guys. Each mounting packet includes one of these guys. Washers, lock washers, and then this here. 7/16 wrench, 3/16 Allen wrench. When installing the bracket onto the light, make sure that you pop this bolt on that hardware before you install it onto the light. Don't ask me how I know. Alright, got these guys all mounted up to the bracketry. Just gotta make sure you have it in the right orientation. Alright, got the lights all mounted up. Which ones do you like better? These guys? These guys. Hard pass. Alright, all done wiring up stuff. Should be all plug and play now. Rigid. Alright, all installed. Just gotta work on the wiring now. Get it tucked up. Not better than those other ones I had. Alright, all wired up.